right, so I just want to do a quick overview of the update on the trading this week. Of course, using my FX book platform just to be able to see this particular account. Of course, you know my account is called FX Fuel Live IC Markets. You can see the details right there. At the top, you'll see JKKFX. All right. So currently, of course, the gain is at 176.66. The absolute gain at 146.45. Those are good numbers really to talk about. The daily is at 0.51. That again, very good. It's improving. In fact, I remember the previous one was much lower than this. The monthly at 16.41, but I believe that will also improve. The drawdown has not changed much at 22.55 and remains there. What is of concern for me is the drawdown that is making the equity right now to be at 88.25, meaning then we are running a drawdown of 11.55%. Now, that's a little bit on the higher side. I would wish it to be lower. So the graph, of course, looks okay. You can see the events that we had at the beginning of June and towards the end of June that really had a few issues there. We've kind of corrected and we are now moving a little bit on a steady level. I just hope, of course, that the drawdown that we are carrying right now will kind of get improve as we get into the market. The market is opening in the next few hours. Right now it's at 7 p.m. At 12 p.m. we will be starting the Asian session and we'll see how this particular drawdown will change. So basically that's what I wanted to share with respect to that. So you can see this month we are at 8.81. That is significantly a very good number, given that we have only been trading for less than 2 weeks, less by a day. Okay, so this is very good. 8.81. That is very good for 2 weeks of work. We still have another 2 weeks plus to trade. So if we do another 8% or more, you can see that we will hit the 16% the average for the month. And then, of course, the year is at 169.52. That, again, is a very good number. These are other statistics that one can look at. This is just a projection of how it can be in 10 years' time. So these are the trades that we are currently experiencing, that drawdown of 11%. You can actually see at the bottom right there, 11.55%. These are the numbers for month on month, looking quite okay at 8.81 for July. That is very good. The risk to reward ratios are right there seen, and you can see the different currencies that we are having. In fact, the currency that is holding most of this drawdown is AUD and NZD, and you can see the number there that is contributing to the overall profitability is quite minimal, and that is the reason why we are having that particular drawdown. Those are the numbers for this week. Let's see how it will be in the coming week. So wishing you, each one of you, a prosperous week and a great week and happy trading. God bless and see you soon.